Want to pamper your skin with a natural face scrub? Making your own can be simple and incredibly rewarding. Natural face scrubs exfoliate your skin, removing dead cells and improving texture, leaving you with a glowing complexion. Here's how you can make one at home in just 90 seconds. First, let's gather our materials. Sugar, coconut oil, honey, essential oils, optional, and a small mixing bowl. Measure out ½ cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of coconut oil, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Precision matters, so use a measuring cup for accuracy. Combine these ingredients in a small mixing bowl. Stir until a smooth paste forms. For an extra touch, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Tea tree, lavender, and peppermint are great options for their skin benefits and fragrance. Once mixed, transfer the scrub into a small airtight container. Don't forget to label it with the date and ingredients. To use, take a small amount of the scrub and gently massage it onto damp skin in circular motions. Be sure to avoid the eye area and apply gently to prevent irritation. Rinse off with warm water and pat your skin dry with a clean towel. Admire your smooth, glowing skin. Feel refreshed and pampered, knowing you've used simple, natural ingredients. This DIY face scrub is not only easy to make, but also a fantastic way to care for your skin naturally.